Mama akwaba wo frɛ me adwowa search him. Ebusan for Mr. And no first time I would hear me Mr. on wa subscribe me notification bell on so for more news.
Rasta. Esinya yenyu winiba. Yenyu wompano. Esinya yenyu wompano. Ale so ntumi nye toilet menye. Enya yenyu aduso. Osanyi no lokwa na youth wodi hey wodi nechi toy. Wutim ju. Wo Rasta, nwa wa Rasta won fanta masra won. Wutim ju. Wutim mprukai. Ba me yonko salon. Eso antefo mosu son konsio. Senti de ju no yin mprukai. Wodwa. Na aka wa adwe kasa bahat. Ai. Owu. Osanyi na to afeyoma ke no bla wa abo. Raf botuma abo. Hey Raf. Any po motuma wo ba. What 37 years. Osanyi no yan kuti penya. For one tutu fom. Owa aka sanyin na wi adi. Hey, owo be ya osanyin. Eyi mo bra wa ba le so wo 25 years. Uno hiti wo wi ni ba. Eburo biala afeyoma ke. Onye nyipa ku biala kwa abrechi. Eburo biala onye nyipa ku kwa abrechi. Uno onye assembly man po na ye de all ba ba ye. MP. Onye bro biala onye nyipa ku bia da me no Raf ewayin for ochia owo ba ya yempi ele ba ba ya yempi mesi wo Rasta na nimu adoju bra na me nko na me nkayi mo na ye state eni me ya wu yipa bialo sabe minyimu papa wa ye MC da warrants na do de me ya na me se de atokwa me na osanye na afenyo make obotum wa hwewa no wa hwew bio na asempobo mpa o se eduko na egura yi gogwalpo Raf mpabo no po we yimnya me chen ale so no wo friend edwaye for ya na nsa na nsuo beto afenyo make wo friend edwaye for ya na nsa na nsuo beto edwaye for ya na nsa na nsuo beto edwaye for ya na nsa na nsuo beto it's Raf Rasta Wanonga Raf Wanonga Obanum wi otodo stupid boy otodo illiterate otodo ebe ya yempi Raf elebe ya yempi wo first message for one tutu fom one na adegbo ni di npo for tutu fom na mo ye catch raw yempi no bla wa abon me fan sound
eti businessman now ye interest no and our interest e on o see e was asem no efra afenyo markings and o se baji sika o NPP ni o and say go NDC new NDC for na semato businessman now what interest no NPP ni and he went back straight to pay that $10 million, you know, 10 million Ghana cedis to Afenyo markings to stop exposing NDC. Meanwhile, the same person, you know, your MPP ni. MPP should do it. Yeah, you can't go NDC grab. You're down for, you're down for now. You say, I'm not say. MPP no, power no, and I open to me no. And on one MPP no, SNCO to yes, come out Afenyo markings say. Ma emu NDC for any more say be on power. Does it make sense to you? Enye NDC so can say NDC businessman be and our interest and our free Afenyo this man and kasa case we a good case our yeah and can you need a one we bia and can you dimetra dikudukura but when they all say rather MPP na yeah power abana sa businessman say MPP power more ahead advantage than say NDC wo power no say any pan the cycle to sika and ma Afenyo marking say kwachema 80 MPs no say they be ya on kan wasem biom and at the same time Afenyo marking took that 10,000 Ghana cedis ana ono kwa fa wa ma 80 MPs no tibiom ente no achiri no ay rade. So it necessary and they don't get anything from Sabi. Take it
shut up your people.
Yanku echine munti
So
bi.
Avenue Market take it.
Munti.
It was, he also went to Bank
Chiu.
of Ghana to tell them to give him money
Okay.
so that he can shut down or shut up his 88 MPPs, 87 MPs. They will not start anything, any kind of probe. They will not be heckling them about the report from IMF. He did not succeed at the Bank of Ghana. But somebody who is a businessman, an MPP businessman, who at the end of the day has interest in all of this, gave Afenyomakin that 10 million.
Oh.
That, take it. If you did not get anything from Bank of Ghana and did not get anything from Samijevi, take it and go shut up your people. So Afenyomakin took the 10 million, went back, and he never gave any parliamentarian any money. The NPP minority, nobody can come out and say Afenyomakin gave them a cent. So do you know what happened? After he got that money and then kept the money, he realized that Sami Jemfi had disrespected him. He did not understand why a young man, people are speculating when you see.
I am laughing like a guy. The old Kwasia or Mresa or Seteno. But end this to Kuro. End this to Kuro. End this to Kuro at home. I think say Munasa be a Janai and yet this hour. 98% of them are Janai as hour. One. After your course, a medium view. One mano. Two. Bank of Ghana. Omo mano. Three. Businessman or your interest. And I want to your interest. Your new interest ko benya and a benefit ko benya was asking. Emma, after you marking 10 million Ghana citizen. We na o jisika na businessman na what interest we mu say or one more interest into on person asem no be spread it na the interest a wo mu no obe lose enim high interest ko no why who businessman ni mobo who say businessman wo interest nti on consider rather he came out and say Sami Jemfi e disrespecting no and the ba expose Sami Jemfi. Does it make sense to you? Sami Jemfi and Farman, Bank of Ghana and Farman, Obi, I to know who was me or interest. Min person min faswa minyano, and I dare be woman, a best saint discano, and Munka be as more expose you. Or Jis can we was there be Messamba exposed. A businessman, do you think say or better after your market better? Uncle Nisica in Tino.
Guy or a good boss CEO. Why I say he didn't understand why Sami Jemfi said he was not going to give him that money. So Afenyomakin decided to blackmail Sami Jemfi.
Oh,
that was when he started telling them that he was going to come after Goldbot. So to a study in his presser, Afenyomakin never mentioned the Bank of Ghana because that MPP businessman who has interest in all this gave him money in the name of Bank of Ghana, which the governor does not even know. So Afenyomakin press conference now. He's not interested in the Bank of Ghana because how one way or the other, some businessman which I know gave him that money. That money in Saka and it's even the Bank of Ghana for that amount. And my check shows he didn't get a dime from the Bank of Ghana. When he came out, it was a revenge and a blackmail towards Sami Jemfi. And it's who have in your market. Orchestra. And if you listen to him very well, or you go back to listen to his presser, 99% of his statement was threatening Sami Jemfi. That I told you to give me the 10 million Ghana. I told you to give me the $1 million. And I am going to do what I said I would do because you didn't pay me the money. Oh. And if Afenyomakin said I am lying, he should come out tomorrow because the people who gave him the money, that 10 million, he never gave any NPP MP.
Oh, we are say officer me boa. One I will say. One I will create a semato Afenyomakin so. Enti who can na say who prove evidence. Who can? What me whom a businessman Sami Jemfi na. Why don't you show all the evidence? And you they were out here. Okay, so if so say me boa and Afenyomakin who so about them akwa we own. Ne life na no usu bempa. Kevin Taylor ono usu bempa. Difference woman say Kevin Taylor take kitchen. No na so them so property anim. Difference woman no me no na be abadam for me no. Ejimi for nko blackmailers. Omo from asem Samija Kevin Taylor ne osu bempa omumi enu no untimi ba ko ntimi miti ba ko akwai was your friend so for make sense mom so friend also for osu bempa on the Kevin Taylor bra boy but the same thing hwe kokonanse story ya watu yi ogis kan wi no we na dwen say afraid obesan be blackmail Samija mfi enti bra kojo ponkroma mama mu date ayi offense intim fojo somewhere April intim fojo ano ne offense afenyo kings ene kojo ponkroma efri ase e complaining yes gold bank offense gold board in the Bank of Ghana a car be bo set no boka 14 million some beka ya 14 million bi di can buy ono mo start so mo ka se so ma hwe yi a sa tamina na afenyo making ene kojo ponkroma ne intim fojo frasa mo yes ntofo ehia inti bere ban ana afenyo making sha ase so wa blackmail Samija or blackmail Samija for what adan ya so Samija a young boy why CEO and so sisi adan enti because of that enti you can't compare Samija even 1/4 to Avenue Markings. Samija can compare the life ever to Avenue. LBBM. Sikam Abrabom Nyansem Nimbiemu Samija ntimi compare no obra Avenue Markings abo. Mamika se menjo MPPs no omo ti say NDC MPs o. NDC MPs no mo from school near appointing from 0 to hero. MPP MPs from hero to 0 rather. If you don't know, all the MPP parliamentarians go on wa NDC parliamentarians go but no compare in terms of sikasem obieni ho NPP ni bia bo so be na MPP ano no agba ne brada NDC ni bia obe na MPP a wo kro no na eba o mo bra oni tro John Dramani